This is my farewell to you, my kind, devoted wife. The time has come to let me go, but first there's something you should know, that as I make my final move, my thoughts are all of you. If this is where my chapter ends, your story must go on. Look after all the boys for me, be the mother you were meant to be. Continue on the work that you were meant to do. And know, dear Miriam, that I love you.